Welcome. Today, we're walking through how to send a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, and we'll be focusing on the new update that's changed how sharing works. If you've noticed some small design tweaks and new menu options, you're not alone. Let's take it step by step so you can share any post or video in just a few clicks. First, open the Twitter app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. The desktop app now works seamlessly with the browser interface, so everything should look familiar. Once you're in, scroll through your timeline or head to a specific user's profile to find the post you want to share. This can be a text post, a video, or even a meme that you just have to send to someone privately. When you've found the post, look underneath it for the row of icons. You'll see the heart, the comment bubble, and the arrow symbol that's the share icon. Give it a click. With the latest update, you'll notice a smoother animation and a new set of sharing options that pop up instantly. From that menu, choose the option that says Share via Direct Message. This will open a small window on the right-hand side of your screen where your chats will appear. You can either scroll to find the person you want to send it to, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. Once you've selected the chat, double-check that it's the right person or group, then click the Send button. And that's it, you've just shared a post directly through X on your PC. The message will appear instantly in your chat, complete with a preview of the post, so your friend can view or interact with it right away. It's simple, quick, and works perfectly with the new update. Now you can share anything you love on X in seconds without ever needing to switch to your phone.